to my channel. I am at a client's home. I'm going to do a facial, but I know I'm showing up about 2 days before I normally do, and that's because my stats tell me that you guys are on YouTube during this time. So I want to try and show up when you guys are on YouTube. So the date has changed to today. Anyway, I'm very excited to be talking to you guys because I cannot wait to show you the new addition to the van. If you guys have been following me, you know what I'm talking about. But I'm not going to give away too much because I cannot wait to show you guys. So let me do this facial, and then I'm going to hop back on here to introduce you guys to the new addition to the van. Okay? Okay, I'm all done. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Let's go. I got the keys. Look at that. Let me show you my new working space. Let me show you around. Okay, you guys, what do you think? I absolutely love the space. I'm super excited about it. I just want to show you guys just a little bit more details, okay? For example, this wall back here is supposed to have my name on it. I thought I was working with someone that was supposed to do low profile block letters that's supposed to be backlit, and he's been stringing me along all this time, wasting time, so I'm gonna have to get someone else to do it. And I'm not even sure if I'm gonna do the whole backlight thing, but we'll see. So anyway, my name on that wall, and then that chair is where I'll do makeup and eyebrows. There's my desk right there. And those are the chairs that the students will sit in when I am doing a lash lift class. So they'll sit in those chairs. Right behind the chairs, I don't know if you could see, right behind there, that's a drop down counter space. And then I will have some cabinets up here. So I'm just waiting for them to be delivered. And then here is my station where I will be doing my makeup lessons right there. So I'm super excited about that. And when I'm working either on that table, well, primarily I'm working on that table. But when I am on this table, that counter space actually is collapsible, so it doesn't stay up like that. So anyway, those are the deets about my new working space that I'm super excited about. I am going to conclude this video by showing you guys some before and after video. If you guys have been following me all along, I did show you guys what the space looked like with the carpet and the carpet ripped up. So it's pretty cool just to kind of see it kind of side by side before and after. So I'm gonna conclude with that. And with regard to the Joshua Code, I am going to do a Joshua Code review. I'm actually gonna do it on a YouTube post. So I won't do it at the end of this video. I'm gonna do it on a YouTube post right after, actually I'm gonna post it today. Right after I post this video, I will post that as well. And I will see you guys in the next video, okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? I know if you're like me, I'll watch a video, I'll absolutely love it, and I will forget to hit the like button. So please hit the like button. I appreciate all of you guys, especially those that watch my videos from the beginning to the end. It really means a lot to me. It really helps my channel. So thank you so much. I totally appreciate that. And thank you so much for just going on my journeys with me. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.